The Vice-Chancellor, Professor Christopher Ekong, cordially invites the university community and the general public to the 139th inaugural lecture of the university to be delivered by Emem-Abasi Bassey, a professor of obstetrics and chief consultant gynecologist, Department of Obstetrics and Gynaecology, Faculty of Clinical Science, College of Health Sciences, University of Uyo.
Professor Emem-Abasi Bassey is an erudite scholar, professor of obstetrics and gynecology, public health and health systems expert, and accomplished healthcare administrator, a fellow of the West African College of Surgeons and the International College of Surgeons. He has served as Commissioner for Health at Ibom State and Chief Medical Director of the University of Uyo Teaching Hospital.
With over 65 academic publications, extensive research, teaching and mentorship experience, Professor Bassey has made remarkable contributions to women's health, reproductive health and oncology. A passionate humanitarian, Rotarian and community health advocate, Professor Emem-Abasi is a devout Christian. He is married with 3 children.
Join us as he delivers his inaugural lecture and the 139th inaugural lecture of the university, titled A Lifetime of Wellness, Advancing Women's Health Through Academic Excellence, Policy and Leadership. Date:
Thursday, August 13th, 2026. Time: 3 p.m. prompt. Venue: 1,000-seater Ted-Fon Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus, Waniba Road, Uyo.
Guests are to be seated by 2:45 p.m. Mrs. Blossom Okorie, Registrar and Secretary to Senate, Announcer.